me show you how to work a front post double crochet stitch. It's abbreviated FPDC for front post double crochet stitch. So normally we work our stitches under the 2 loops at the top of each stitch, but also the stitch has its post here and you can work around it. So to work a front post double crochet stitch here, we will wrap the yarn around our hook for a double crochet stitch and then find your stitch and go down, insert the hook right before it through the fabric here to the back, and then insert it back up again here to the front side, wrapping the hook around the stitch like this here. Then take your working yarn and make a yarn over, and then pull that loop up from the back of the stitch. Then we yarn over and we finish the double crochet like we normally would. So you go through the first 2 and then go through the second 2. So what happens when you work around the post of the stitch, as we can see here now, it will raise the stitch to create texture, which is commonly used when you are creating rib textures or other surface designs on your crochet work. Let's work another one together. So we yarn over, find the stitch that you want to work around the post, go insert the hook, under and up, and then yarn over your hook and pull up the loop, yarn over and go through 2, and yarn over and go through 2. So these now are your front post stitches.